life. Where there is suffering, hope. Where there is despair and compassion, care to all who need.
The moment we have all been waiting for has arrived. We will now proceed with the formal presentation of candidates. To present our deserving candidates, may I request on stage one of our faculty of National University School of Allied Health College of Nursing, Sir Raymond Patrick Yabu. And to grant the petition, the officer in charge of National University Mall of Asia College of Nursing, Sir Ardel G. Pantor.
Honorable Dean of the College of Nursing, after having satisfactorily completed the prescribed theoretical and laboratory requirements and the fundamentals of nursing, and having demonstrated readiness to begin their clinical exposure, I have the honor to present to you these 301 students who are candidates for the capping and pinning ceremony. Through the guidance of their clinical instructors and the support of their families, they have shown dedication, perseverance, and commitment to the values of the nursing profession. With confidence in their preparation and their desire to serve humanity, I respectfully present these candidates for the capping and pinning ceremony.
I, the officer in charge of the School of Allied Health Nursing Department, accepts the 301 candidates who fulfill the required related learning hours for the courses Health Assessment and Fundamentals of Nursing. Congratulations, everyone.
Central to the spirit of nursing is the unwavering light of knowledge, compassion, and tireless service. As personified by Florence Nightingale, we will now witness the powerful symbolic lighting of the Nightingale lamp. The OIC with Florence Nightingale will now light the Nightingale's lamp. Nightingale lamp is symbolically lit and now the defining moment of this ceremony. Cups. The Nurses' Cup was introduced early into the creation of modern nursing, as women primarily dominated at that time. The objective of the cup was to keep a female nurse's hair neat and tidy